Saudi Arabia just told the AI world, we're not waiting for Silicon Valley. A PIF-backed company, HUMAIN, signed a deal to deploy 200 megawatts of Qualcomm AI infrastructure starting 2026. Analysts say this could be worth around $2 billion to Qualcomm. Let's break down what's happening and if this is Qualcomm's entry into an AI market dominated by Nvidia. On October 27, 2025, Qualcomm and HUMAIN, a Saudi AI company launched in 2025 under the PIF, announced a collaboration to build an AI inferencing hub in the kingdom. HUMAIN will roll out Qualcomm's new AI200 and AI250 rack-scale systems, which are data center inference systems, not phone chips. The target is 200 megawatts of capacity in 2026, serving Saudi government, enterprises, and global customers. This 200 megawatts capacity is significant, comparable to US or China hyperscale projects, not typical for a market still building its AI base. Saudi Arabia's move is part of its national strategy for data and AI. The kingdom aims to be among the top 15 AI nations by 2030, attract $20 billion in AI investment, and boost AI's contribution to GDP. AI data centers consume vast amounts of electricity, and Saudi Arabia has abundant power and capital to become an AI hub outside the US. HUMAIN is the execution arm, already engaging with Google, AWS, and OpenAI. It seeks a dual listing in Saudi and NASDAQ in 3 to 4 years, indicating it's a state-backed platform, not a small startup. For years, Qualcomm focused on phones, 5G, and licensing. Now, it's entering AI data center inference with AI200 and AI250, competing with Nvidia and AMD on cost-efficient, high-memory inference. These racks offer up to 160 kilowatts per rack, 768 gigabytes LPDDR liquid cooling, and support PyTorch/ONNX for current Gen AI workloads. However, entering this market is challenging due to Nvidia's dominant mindshare. To prove their racks work at scale, Qualcomm secured a sovereign customer to deploy 200 megawatts in one go. This Saudi deal provides Qualcomm with proof of scale in a region seeking edge-to-cloud hybrid AI. Qualcomm positioned this as the world's first fully optimized edge-to-cloud hybrid AI solution. Wells Fargo noted a $2 billion revenue potential but maintained an underweight rating and a $140 target due to increasing competition. This suggests analysts like the deal but don't see it as a threat to Nvidia's dominance. Saudi Arabia's purchase isn't isolated. Intel's Crescent Island, AMD's MI platform, and Nvidia's Rubin CPX are all targeting the same high-density inference market. Qualcomm surprised Wall Street by directly offering rack-scale systems, as noted by Aaron Rakers. The story isn't about Qualcomm beating Nvidia, but about the vast global AI capital expenditure allowing second-wave vendors to succeed with better total cost of ownership. Saudi Arabia, with its cheap power and government workloads, serves as an ideal test bed. Timing risk. Qualcomm's hardware arrives in 2026 to 27, but AI evolves rapidly. If Nvidia releases a major inference-optimized Rubin refresh, the TCO math could change. Execution risk in KSA. 200 megawatts requires extensive infrastructure, including data centers, cooling, fiber, security, and compliance, a multi-year build. If HUMAIN faces delays, Qualcomm's revenue recognition will be impacted, and there's a customer concentration risk with this large sovereign deployment. While good for headlines, investors prefer broad enterprise adoption. Wells Fargo's Underweight $140 rating reflects this. Analysts are signaling a great story, but caution against overpaying. This isn't just about Qualcomm launching a chip, that's too niche. The angle that gains views is Saudi is building the Middle East's biggest AI hub, attracting a global audience. $2 billion AI deal without Nvidia appeals to stocks/AI audiences, while Qualcomm quietly entered the AI data center war targets tech audiences. Highlighting the 200 megawatts, PIF backing, 2026 timeline, and underweight rating creates conflict, money, and geopolitics, a YouTube favorite. The deeper story is Saudi's pursuit of AI sovereignty, Qualcomm's need for a data center showcase, and Wall Street's observation of its scalability. Tell me in the comments, Does this make Qualcomm a real AI player? Or is this just a smart PR plus sovereign order? Like, subscribe, and I'll break down the next Middle East AI build when it drops.